Hey everybody, Scott Riley, the Market Update Desk. We are starting a brand new month. It's April 1st, and it's not a scary April 1st. It's a good day in the market with Mortgage One NMLS 157524. Well, it is Wednesday. That means it is the end of what's defined as opening week in baseball. It means we've had the first full week. Unfortunately, the Tigers started out well last night, and then their middle relievers gave the game away in Arizona late last night. Today, we had a couple different things come out. ADP. So that starts the jobs numbers for the week. Private payrolls they showed grew 62,000 in March. Now that's only down from 4,000 of what the February numbers were, and it's above what the consensus numbers of 39,000 for what we expected from the ADP. Let's go into the kind of some meat and potatoes of where everything went within the report. Um, Similar to the February report, the two main sectors that provided almost all the gains, education and health services, contributed 58,000 jobs, identical to the February total. Now, while construction, though, also did add 30,000, information services added 16,000, while natural resources in mining, that's an interesting one, added 11,000 to the number. Leisure and hospitality saw a small gain of 7,000. That seems to have been slowing down just a little bit. Trade, transportation, utilities were the big loser. That was down 58,000. Workers, while manufacturing was off 11,000. Businesses, once again, with 50 or fewer employees, dominated the hiring market for March. That added 85,000 jobs to that sector. Medium sized businesses lost 20,000, while large firms, which are referenced with 500 more employees, saw a decline of 4,000. So this is very important because the small business sector had been very hurt for a number of months. We're seeing a ramp up within the hiring, specifically within that small business sector. Wages. So we're showing job stayers held steady at an annual increase of earnings of 4.5%. Job changers saw a slight gain uh, up to 6.6%. And that was up 0.3% since the February report. So the job changers did gain a little bit of traction. They had fallen off the last couple months. Here was a little bit of a surprise. Retail sales for February, the market was expecting a 0.5% increase. Actually came in at 0.6 up, so a tenth hotter than expected. The core index, which is a little closer followed, that was 0.2 above expectation. Came in at 0.5% up, and the market was expecting a number of 0.3 up. Within the commodities market, we're seeing oil just under 100. It was sitting at about 98.36 per barrel. Brent crude is now just under 101. So we are seeing pullback with both of those markets. Gold was up today also. The Dow is up 207. We've had, I think it's 2.5 days of very positive numbers on the Dow. 10-year Treasury, we have finally started to see some retreat in the yield. We had spiked to, gosh, just under 4.5%. Right now, we're sitting at 4.31%. That is important because we're under 4.33%, which is an upward resistance level. The next downward resistance level is a little bit of ways away. It's at 4.21%. So we do have, at least temporarily, what appears to be a wide range of about 4.21 to 4.33 trading range before we break above or hopefully below resistance levels. Now we are seeing a little bit more activity yesterday and today with the spring market. Here's a little thing. Technically, tomorrow officially starts spring break for the schools. The spring break week typically is one of the best weeks of the entire year to get a home under contract, and probably the best time within the spring and summer months. Reason being, you've got a lot of people that are gone south, and with them being gone, competition goes down. So if you're out in the market right now, is time to be very, very active with offers and talking with your realtor and lenders, such as myself, that can give you great information on loan programs and what's going on in the market. We're here available 616 293 2189. Can run through loan scenarios and opportunities for you. Also, if you're looking at refinancing, yes, we're still doing refinances. There are still opportunities to save money. Give us a call. We'll break down all those numbers. 616 293 2189. The Market Update Desk, your original singular market news source for West Michigan.